Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. As you know, copying and pasting refers to taking text from a certain page and putting it on a blank document with just a click of a button, which is arguably the biggest innovation in the life of people that work with documents because it saves a lot of time instead of typing word for word. So with that said, what if I told you you could use that technique once or twice to make a whole lot of money? Yes, I know it seems too good to be true, but in today's video, I want to prove to you that it's actually real. I will show you everything you need to do to make money online as a beginner by copying and pasting. It is very easy, you do not need to spend a great deal of time to make it happen, but the catch is you need to watch the whole video to avoid missing some steps because that might ruin your chances of making money due to the critical mistakes you might make. The best thing about this method is that it's free. Even if you don't have money in your pocket, it's fine. Unlike other methods of making money online, and another thing, this method works on any part of the world, so the only requirement is a device with internet connection for you to start making money today. And remember to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in making money online without startup cash, because that is what I teach on the channel. So without further ado, I'm the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time, let's make some cash. So the name of the website we have to visit is kickbooster.me. So basically this website provides solutions for crowdfunding creators. Creators can get more out of their own campaign with powerful tools designed to raise more and manage less. So here on Kickbooster, they offer different kinds of opportunities for different kinds of people. They provide services for people who are running or who are in the process of launching a crowdfunding campaign. Secondly, they also serve merchants who are in the process of launching an e-commerce store. Thirdly, they also help creators with their crowdfunding campaign by sharing it with their network. And lastly, they make creators' dreams come true by pledging to their own crowdfunding campaign. So among the functions of Kickbooster, the easiest one to do as a beginner is the third one, which is affiliate. I want us to take advantage of that and let the dollars roll in. So today you're gonna become one of Kickbooster's affiliate marketers. So what you're gonna do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and look for the part where it says users. Under it, click on where it says affiliates. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to a page like this. So here you'll find everything you need to know as an affiliate. It virtually works by sharing the projects you love. By that, you get your reward. Simple. It pays to be a Kickbooster affiliate marketer. You use Kickbooster to create unique affiliate links for your favorite projects and get paid for every successful pledge that comes through your link. So what they want you to do is share your affiliate links through your blog, social media, email, or whatever you see fit, and watch your account fill up with stacks of cash. Now the question is, who can be affiliate marketers? Well, the answer to that is basically everyone. For example, publications, bloggers, influencers, customers, fans, friends and family. So this means you can be an affiliate marketer. You do not need to be tech savvy to qualify for this program. So if you're enjoying the video, please like the video and I will reward you by making more videos about making money online, and don't forget to leave a comment below if there's a part you don't understand so I can clear it up for you. Anyway, now that you have an idea of how this works, let's dive right into the finer details I was talking about when I warned you not to skip any part of the video. So first thing you have to do is sign up for free. You will create an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes. Need I remind you that it doesn't cost a thing. Step 2, pick a project to promote. You can browse through their marketplace to find awesome projects to share with everyone. And then step number 3 is spread the word. So here you'll need to generate a unique affiliate link with the click of a button and share it with your network. Step number 4 is my favorite. Here you simply get paid. Here you earn a commission for every single pledge that comes through your affiliate link. So on top of that, you can stay ahead of your marketing efforts by monitoring your progress in your personal affiliates dashboard by tracking your affiliate link clicks, the funds you've helped raise, and the commissions you've earned. So now that you have seen what it takes to be an affiliate, it's only right that you sign up. So you're gonna click on the sign up button and you'll be redirected to a page like this to complete the registration process. So what they want from you is your name, your email, your PayPal email, which is optional, and you can also skip the referral code, but your password is needed for your account to be secure, and then confirm it below. And right after that, you gotta tick on the box that says you agree to their terms and conditions and fill up the captcha that proves that you're an actual human being Once you're done with that, click on submit and you are a proud owner of an affiliate account on Kickbooster. Since you haven't shared the link with the people out there, now is the time to do so you can start making money immediately. This technique I'm about to show you is highly effective since you're going to be sharing the link with everyone in the world rather than sharing it to one person at a time, so pay attention. So you gotta go to this website called Quora.com. This is the world's largest online free forum where you can find billions of discussions on all the topics you could possibly think of, and there are millions of people that visit the site per month, so I want us to take advantage of that. So what you're gonna do is search for the term new tech and a lot of discussions will show up in front of you, and then you will reply to their questions with the info on Kickbooster by copying and pasting it, since that information is clear and interesting. And when a person shows interest, simply attach the link next to your comments, and just like that you will make money, because that person will definitely click on the link and set up his own account, not to mention the rest of the world that will see the info and the link without you even talking to them. So that's basically how you make money online with copy and paste. And if you want more ways to make money online, be sure to check out the rest of the videos across the channel to find a method that suits you completely. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.